How to copy and paste a WhatsApp message. Copying and pasting messages on WhatsApp is a simple process that allows you to share information quickly. This is beginner's tutorial, and here's how you can do it on your WhatsApp application. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Next, find and open the chat containing the message you want to copy. Once you've located the message, long press on it. Click on 3 dots in top right corner. A menu will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the copy option. Now, open the chat where you want to paste the message. You can paste the message wherever you want. I will send it via Viber. In the message input field, long press again. You will see the paste option appear. Tap on paste to insert the copied message. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted a WhatsApp message. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.